I'm gonna show you guys how I do my skin prep and then a really easy, quick going out dinner look, I guess. So here we go. This Biologique spray. I always like to add a little spray before I put on my hydrating products. Everybody keeps getting mad at me because I keep using Rhode samples in all my videos, and then people keep asking me like, when is it coming? When is Rhode coming? But I swear, when I say soon, I actually mean it. It is coming really soon and I'm really excited. But I use these products in all my videos because these are the products I've been using for the last year. So I'm not gonna stop now. Okay, so that is a serum-esque thing that I can't fully describe right now. And then this is my favorite moisturizer on planet Earth. That, again, I swear, is coming really, really soon. The video cut off for some reason. Just gotta get that glow in the skin before I put on my makeup. Kosas concealer. This is Oleo e Oso little blush stick. Honestly, the most important thing for me when doing my own makeup or even getting my makeup done is the skincare underneath, like the base for the makeup, the skin feeling super dewy and super hydrated. I feel like that's always how I achieve the glowiest, best looking makeup. Jacob's highlighter, Milk eyebrow gel. I ran out of time on the other video. Obviously, I'm not the most skilled at TikTok, but I am trying. I think the last thing I did was just the eyebrow gel. Yeah, so moving on. Kosas powder. This is just really for any of the areas I feel like I get a little oily, which is mostly T-zone area. So now for the lip, this is a Makeup Forever pencil, and I actually love this because it's a multi-use pencil, which means eyes, lip liner, I think anything. I like anything that's multi-use. I feel like I've said that before. It gets me, a multi-use product. But in this instance, I'm using it for my lips so that I can overline them like I always do. You know what though? The thing is, when I do lip liner, I actually only overline right here, and then the rest I follow my lip shape. That's just me, I don't know. I already feel like I'm doing this wrong because every time I see somebody doing, first of all, I need to be like that much closer. And I always see people doing their tutorial things to the camera, but I'm not that skilled yet, so I need the mirror. That's the liner. Honestly, I'm feeling semi-lazy tonight. This is just my quick version of when I'm feeling lazy makeup. So I'm not even gonna do a lip color. I'm just gonna go in with this Ormetic Image Skincare Lip Balm instead of doing a lip color. So that's how I'm feeling. That was the lip balm, by the way. I forgot to show you. And then the last thing I'm gonna do, because I don't really feel like doing my mascara at the moment, I'm just gonna curl my lashes. My super fast, easy, kind of lazy little makeup routine.